everyone, welcome to my channel. A very happy Friday out there to everybody watching. Today I'm so excited because I am going to do another collab with my beautiful friend Heather Austin here on the YouTube. She did text me a couple days ago and she asked if I wanted to do a collab, which of course I do. I love collabing with my friends and she's such a lovely lady here on the YouTube. And please, if you aren't already, go check her out. I will leave all of her socials down in the description box. Obviously she's doing this video as well, but today we're going to do a Christmas party holiday red lip get ready with me. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into the makeup. Have you zoomed in a little bit? I am so excited to do this. I love collabing and I absolutely love her channel. If you are new here, hi, hello. I'm so happy that you are here. If you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button, absolutely subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun. I do similar content to Heather. She does a lot of beauty and makeup over at her channel, as well as that's kind of what we do over here. I love her channel. I love collabing with her. I will leave our first collab, which was the Dose of Colors foundation. I have dry skin. She has oily skin. So we did a great collab. I'll leave all the information down below, of course. Please, please, please go check her out. If you aren't already subs, we have a lot of the same subs. But anyways, holiday red lip. I don't usually like red lip, so my red lip is kind of on the pinky side. Just so you're aware. Anyways, I've had a lot of coffee, you guys. If this is, again, if you are new here, hi, my name is Kelly. I'm very caffeinated. Say that a lot. I have a Ninja coffee bar. I brew on specialty brew. I basically drink 2 Americanos a day. Lots of coffee. Anyways, just gonna kind of chat through this. So everything I do have on my face, I will link down in the description box, in case you were curious. I try to chat through what I do have. I am going to try, I've been trying this Ulta Beauty Hydrating Face Primer. It says coconut water for hydration. It smells like sweet coconuts a little bit, but I actually really, really do like this. I have crazy dry skin, so I really, really like this. It's just a sample I just got out of one of my recent orders, but I do like this. I can absolutely see getting the full size of this. And I'm looking over at my favorite basket. Oh, Kelly, you do not need another primer. I've got a basket of primers behind me. And I am just going to go in with a concealer here. This is Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. It is waterproof. With holiday, you want your makeup to last. This is pretty much my skin tone. But I'm just going to kind of quite thickly put this on. I have a video coming that's kind of just my recommendations, my most repurchased makeup or beauty items from Ulta, and this is like my 3rd one. And so I'm going back through all of my goodies to see, do I still recommend this? Is this still something I would like? Which, if you are familiar and you do watch or do the drop down box, you have been seeing a lot of, they're not, sorry, I'm hungry. You have been seeing quite a bit of Ulta Beauty products down there, just because like I said, I'm going back through and making sure I still like them and my thoughts. I am definitely going for a little bit of a fuller coverage. For reference, I do have dry aging skin. I am 37, so I definitely have like the age spots, the wrinkles, crinkles, and whatnots. And I prefer medium coverage foundation. I sometimes will do a lighter coverage, but I definitely do prefer a solid medium to high medium coverage. I don't need the full coverage, but I like to get close to it, but I still like my skin to look like skin, if that makes sense. But I am kind of very much so insecure about my skin that I do prefer something a little bit more than light coverage. Not saying that I don't like the light coverage. I definitely do light coverage. I mean, I did yesterday. I just did like spot concealing and kind of ran out of the house. So, but I typically will go for a medium coverage. Something I absolutely love about this foundation is it sets, but it doesn't totally set down. So I am going to run a very light dusting of powder over my face. And I have been really loving the Ulta Beauty Mineral Setting Powder. This is a loose powder. I am just taking a smaller brush. This doesn't have any coverage. I do have mine in the shade Translucent. But I find that this mineral powder really looks beautiful on my dry skin, and it sets my makeup. I mean, like I was saying, this foundation almost sets itself, but it does, for myself, it does need a little bit of help. And this mineral, like, it's beautiful. Let's do one side so I can kind of show you guys. And I'll even do underneath my eyes, even though I don't need to with a concealer. I will, just so you guys can see. But this is a difference from far away. This is the side that is powdered. I powdered my whole forehead. I'm sorry for the last minute thoughts. And then this side is not powdered. I'm going to come closer and show you kind of what I'm saying. Okay, now that we are closer, again, this is the side that is powdered. Everything is just blurred and very, very soft on this side compared to this side. I don't have crazy amount of pores problems, but I definitely do have some texture, especially lines up here. And this powder really does help kind of just smooth everything out. And I have no complaints with this powder. For a bronzer, I absolutely love a luminous bronzer. I do have dry skin, and even though it's winter, I still like this luminous bronzer. I know a lot of people like it in the summer, but I have been loving this one from Flower Beauty. This is the Heat Wave Luminous Bronzer in Sunrise L1. I just ever so lightly just kind of buff it on my cheeks. I do tap off on my hand, in case, again, this is your first time here. Hi, I don't think I've seen anybody else do that, or very few people like will actually tap. I don't like tap it on like the container. I tap it like to actually tap it off, so that I make sure that the majority of it is off, and I can always build it up to my preferences. And I am just going in with this big fluffy brush I kind of got this week with Ipsy, so I'm super excited about it. I'm having a really good luck with bronzer brushes lately. Is anybody else? I love buying brushes. I love buying everything, like makeup, beauty related. I love trying and testing things out, which is why I started my YouTube channels, because I was always just already buying things, and I'm like, I think my friends kind of got tired of listening to me talk about it all the time, so I was like, I'm gonna go on the internet and make some new friends. So here we are. Hi, my name is Kelly. I hope that you do subscribe so that we are friends here on the YouTube. But anyways, I really, really like this. I think it's not like super luminous. I almost think the L'Oreal is a little bit more on the shimmer side or metallic side, or glitter side. I don't know. There's something about this one that just, I think I like this one better. Okay, for blush, I'm going to go into this. This is a palette I got through Lancome. This is eyeshadow and blush palette Glow. I got the big train set. It's got two different compartments, but these are the shades. I actually love mixing these two shades together. I like to mix shades. But I feel like this is just so pretty. I also really love blushes. I have kind of a crazy obsession with blushes. I have a crazy obsession with all things makeup. I think this is what, like the third or fourth thing that I talked about having like an obsession with just with this video. So that's fun, Kelly. You're a hoot. It's just, I don't know. I so really like it, especially paired it with that bronzer. Okay, so for my highlighter, because this is a Christmas holiday party, I am going to go in with this Rachel Zoe Rock face and body diamond dust. I love this. There is micro glitters in here, but I love this, especially for special events. I don't have special events, but I mean holiday parties and stuff. I don't like micro glitters usually at all, but this one doesn't collect, and it's so pretty. My girls really like this. Is fairy dust, fairy boo boo dust. I'm a mom of 4. In case this is your first time here, I'm a mom of 4, and when I was I putting this away or something? I don't know if I was putting it away, getting it out, using it. I'm not sure. But somebody came down and was like, oh, my arm hurts. And I was like, fluff, fluff, fluff. And they were like, it's all better. Thanks. So, boo-boo dust. I mean, that's kind of expensive, but, I mean, it works. And I just, it's holiday time, and I think the glitter is just a lot of fun. Okay, I did prime my eyes with the Lorac Behind the Scenes. And we are obviously going to go into this eyeshadow palette. I'm so super excited. But first, let's do some brows, because I was just putting my eye primer on. I was like, something's off. Yeah, I was so excited to get into the cheek products. I forgot to do my brows. So anyways, I'm so excited to collab again with Heather. I was just thinking that while I was putting my eye primer on. I'm so happy that she reached out again. She's become a really good friend here after we did our first collab. August, September. We are text friends. Like, it warms my heart that she wanted to do another collab with me. I really enjoy her content so much. I mean, she's one of those. I mean, I know there's a YouTuber like tag going around or has gone around before. Like, what kind of YouTube watcher are you? She's definitely one of those people that as soon as she uploads, I definitely click on her videos. I say that now, but I've been so bad about watching YouTube for probably a week. I've been out of it. I've been kind of ill, so I've been napping mostly. I've not been watching a lot of YouTube, but typically on a good day, she is one of very few that, like, when I see that she has uploaded, I'm like, click, yes, please. But everybody's channels at the moment has been getting neglected because I felt rather ill. I absolutely love a micro pencil for my brows, especially for the holiday. I think it would be the best choice for myself, in my opinion, because you would be able to, you know, pretend like to fill in some little hairs. It's normally I just go in, or have lately been just going in with like a brow tint gel kind of thing, but this one I think I get a little bit more defined brow, and I really like them. Okay, so eyeshadow. I'm so excited to get in this. I've only used it a couple times. I'm so excited. I'm going to start with this shade over here. It's just a very, very light shade. It's almost my skin tone, but it's almost not. And I just want a very, very soft gradient. So I am doing a bold lip. I am not super comfortable with red lips, so I decided that we were going to do like a goldy neutral eye look with this holiday look. Okay, next I'm going to take this shade right here. It looks green in pan, but it's almost like this pink, like, kind of shift to it. It is, I just love it. I'm going to use my finger for this. It's this very pretty, almost like a gold, but like with a greenish shift and then a pink undertone. I don't know how to describe this. I don't describe colors very well, I will say that. But I really, really do like this. And I like, just with my finger, I really like the shade. I'm going to take kind of a flat shader brush here, and then I'm going to dip into this pinky, shimmery kind of rose gold shade, whichever. I'm going to tap this on the inner third of the eye. I really, really love a gradient eye, and because there's an undertone of pink in this kind of shade, the greeny gold shade, I really think laying down this rose gold is just so beautiful. It's almost the same shade that we put in the crease, but like shimmer. I can see myself getting so much use out of this palette, and I'm so happy to have gotten it. I mean, it was like if you spend so much on Lancome, you could add this set at a deep discount. So, I mean, I did. It was not hard. But I have been absolutely just loving this. I am going to start with this brown shade here and start building this on the outer V here. And then decide if I want to add any black. I think I am going to add just a touch of black into this look. Just on the outer here, just to deepen it just a little bit. Because it is a holiday look, and I am just going to run this over top of everything, make sure it's blended, but kind of keep it kind of in my socket, which is really low. I mean, when my eye is fully open, you won't be able to see it, so. Okay, very, very carefully, I am just going to deepen it up with this black up here. One tap in, much, much tapped off, and just really quick deepen up that outer. Keeping it mostly brown, but just adding a little bit of darkness into there. For my lower lash line, I'm going to start with this brown here, just on the outer half of my eye. Okay, next I'm going to take this light champagne color here on a small shader brush, and then I'm going to touch this in the inner corner here. Really brighten it up. Maybe I'm going to mix in this light, almost white cream. I'm going to add that in there. There we go. Give it almost a white pearly kind of feel. And because it's the holidays, I'm going to add some of this just because it's not as bright as I want it to be, and I don't know. I just want to use it. There we go. It's a little bit more on the icier side. That's kind of what I was going for, is like ice. Okay, because I am going to add some lashes, I'm going to use this black shade in a flat shader brush here. And I'm just going to kind of tuck it into my lash line here. Okay, I'm going to add some lashes and mascara, and we'll be right back for the best part. Okay, I did add some holiday lashes, lashes anyways, from Ardell. These are the Wispies. This is their holiday 2-pack. I got it at Ulta. I'll leave a link in case they're still available. Okay, now that the rest of our face is holiday party ready, let's get on it with the red lipstick. I think I said it in the intro, or maybe I was thinking I should have said it. I don't know. At one point, anyways. Whether it was with somebody or with myself, I was discussing that I'm not usually a red lipstick kind of person, but I did pull one that I do know that I do like, and I am comfortable wearing, because I didn't want to do a look that I'm not comfortable wearing. I wouldn't wear out of the house, but this, I would wear all of this out of the house, the eyelashes included. I really like the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick formula. I have extra saucy. This is a newer color to my collection. Not the formula. I like the formula. I already know that. But this is the reddest of red that I like. It is not a true red. It's more of a magenta red. But I am gonna line my lips with a Il Mascara lip pencil. This is in Lust right here, and I will be right back. But anyways, this is my finished look for my Christmas red lip Get Ready With Me, a collab with my very dear friend Heather Austin here on YouTube, but also in my like real life outside of YouTube. She is somebody I do text. I do care about her, and I thank you so much for collabing. I love this look. It is something I am glad that she suggested, because I do love this color. I did buy it because it is very much so wildly outside of my comfort zone. And like I said, it's not a true red. It's almost like a magenta red. It's what I'm comfortable with. But I love that she suggested this. Thank you, Heather, so much. You know how much I am so appreciative that you did reach out for this collab. And again, if you are new here to my channel, I hope you do decide to stick around, hit the subscribe button. And I want to say thank you so much for just watching my video. And if you are my subscriber, I would really love it if you went over to Heather's channel, give her some love. I love her content over there on her channel. Everything will be listed down in the description, as well as everything I used on my face. So anyways, I hope everybody has a blessed weekend. The holidays are here. I get emotional every time I close out a video thinking about it. I am just so excited and happy and thankful, and here goes the waterworks. I'm such an emotional person. But anyways, I hope everybody has a blessed holiday. Thank you so much, and enjoy your weekend. And I will see everybody next week. Bye.